Is that my big boy eating his lunch? Good job. Oh, very nice. Hi. You're doing a very nice job. It's just a little bit messy. That's okay. Good. Nice. It's very tasty peaches. Oh. Beautiful. Uh-huh. Oh, 2 spoons? Those peaches must be good. Let's try this one. Very nice. Sweetie pie. Are you just playing? Should I clean you up? I don't know. You're having a good time. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, let me go before you make a mess of it. You already made. Beautiful! That was very beautiful. That was very good. Good technique. My sweet pea. Thank you.